Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So previously what we did was we did the unboxing of GoPro Hero 10 Black. So GoPro itself is not enough to make videos. We need accessories. So what we did was we bought a brand new accessories kit from Daraz, and well, it's here. So let's unbox it. So this is the accessory kit that we've bought from Daraz. So here are all the stuff that we are going to use. So our first is this selfie stick that prolongs this long, and it's quite strong. Okay, so another thing. Okay, so let's start with another. This is a floaty, and it is used to hold your mount your GoPro here, and you can use it on swimming pools and lakes, so your GoPro doesn't drown on the bottom of that lake. Okay, so it's a very useful thing. So another thing that we have here is this gorilla mount, so you can tighten and loose this stuff. Okay, so you can use it to stick to anything in a tree or a barbed wire. You can use it, or you can also use it to place your tripod like this, so it stays there. Likewise, we have these mounts for our GoPro. All of these are very useful, and we have a screw. Okay, so this is also useful stuff. So what this really is that while using a helmet, we can mount this in our helmet, and we can just put this in our helmet, and like this we can put our GoPro here, and after putting it here you can see what your GoPro is saying, so you can record your videos like this. So very useful thing this as well. Likewise, so this is a wrist mount. So what you do with this is you put it in your wrist like this. So I have put this like this here. Okay, so like this I have put it in my wrist, and it's like this. You have to tight it. So now it's moving, and you can mount your GoPro here, and to tighten it you can just press this button like this, and it's rock solid. So this is the wrist mount, very useful thing. It is also for wrist, so I don't have to show this to you. So this is a screw. Okay, so you can use this screw to screwdriver, so you can use this to just tighten and loose the screw. So it is also very useful object. Now let's move on to this section of the bag. So what we have here is a clip mount. So you can see this. It's a very nice clip, and what you can do with this clip is, so if you are wearing a bag, you can clip this in your backpacks, that handle, and you can just clip it there, and you can put your GoPro here, so you can have this front perspective of yours. Likewise, if you are wearing a cap, you can put your you can just clip this in your cap and you can put your GoPro here, so you can get your first perspective view. So it's very useful, and this clip is very nice. Okay, so this is a helmet mount. Mostly this is for cyclist helmets, very useful for cyclists. Likewise, another thing that is very helpful for cyclists is this mount. You can see here that it has this cap. So what you can do is that you can put it under the handle of your cycle, and you can tighten it, and it will be you'll be ready to go with it. Likewise, you can also use this. It's kind of to put it and you can tighten this, and you can just shoot it from your shoot it from your finger point of view. Okay, so it's also useful tool. It's a head mount, is it? See, so this is a head mount. I'll show you by wearing this. Okay, so this head mount, here's the place where you can mount your GoPro. So you wear it like this, you can see, and you can put your GoPro here, and you get the first person perspective from here. Wherever you see, whatever you look at, the GoPro captures exactly that. So very useful tool. Likewise, this package comes with a very nice bag. You can put your stuff here and carry it wherever you want to go. So there's more of these things. These are used to mount GoPro mounters. Likewise, this is called chesty. It's also called chest mount, and now I'm just going to show you how to use this. Okay, so what we really do is we wear this. Okay, so you put your hand here, and okay, so this has come around to be here, and you have this cliff here, so you can just, okay, now I have got it on, and here's a mount where you can place your GoPro, and you can just capture your front view. Okay, so very stable footage will come out of this. Very useful thing to have. Likewise, and last but not least, we have here is a suction cup. So this suction cup, you can just what we do with it, it's really we just paste it somewhere. Yes, and we put this down now. Okay, this is, I think, not of the best quality.
Smooth surface, man.
Oh, and yes, it is quite strong. It will do just fine. Okay, so this is the suction cup that we have. So for just 3,000 rupees, you are getting all these things for 3,000 rupees, and I think it's a bargain. I mean, you are getting all these things, and I'm going to use all of it for my every adventure. So thank you. Thank you guys. That was our review of unboxing of the accessories kit for GoPro. Until next time.